Morning, welcome to Market Mashup, our weekly recap of financial markets and what we have in store for this week that might impact your stock and bond portfolios. I'm Scott Nasca, president of Generation Capital Management. Another strong week for stocks. Last week's Dow Jones was up 2.4%, S&P 500 up 0.8%, and NASDAQ up 0.4%. A lot of repositioning into the safe value stocks, banking sector, industrial sector, and moving out of some of the bigger winners this year in the tech and communication sector. So just seeing a little redeployment of capital. Could be just market positioning rebalancing towards the end of the year. Looking at the bond front, we have the 2-year at 4.56%, the 10-year at 4.21%, 35 basis point inversion that continues to be the similar theme for all of 2023 so far, as the shorter end of the bond market continues to yield higher than the longer end. Looking at the commodity front, we have oil at $74.24 and gold at $20.88. So saw a big move in gold over the past few weeks as it eclipsed the 2000 level. We'll see if there's going to be continuous momentum moving forward. On the data front, we do have some important data coming out this week. We have the JOLTS job data coming out on Tuesday. ISM non-manufacturing also out on Tuesday. We have ADP non-farm employment data coming out on Wednesday. Consumer sentiment is on Friday, and then we also have the November jobs report that's coming out on Friday too. And obviously that's a big number that the Fed looks at, and we want to just see if we continue to see job growth in the employment front, and you also want to pay attention to the wage information on there, see if there's any wage inflation or pricing pressures that are coming through from increases in salaries. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Website www.gencapmgmt.com. Our team's ready to answer any questions that you might have. Give your portfolio a second opinion. Just make sure your allocations are in line with your risk tolerances and goals and objectives. We also have some good financial planning tips on there with John's top tips. That might be something that you want to spur before the end of the year, and some housekeeping items that you want to get done. So just feel free to reach out to us. Our team's ready to help out any way we can. Once again, my name is Scott Nasca, president of Generation Capital Management, and this is Market Mashup. Have a great week, everyone.